Hello and welcome to the Farnham College Media Tips channel. Just a quick one today. We're going to look at how to add a dissolve. So we just want to have a look at the cut. There's a cut there on the side. Actually, I want to put a dissolve there instead. As with Premiere, there's always more than one way to skin a cat. What I generally do is making sure I've got my select tool selected. You can select the clip, but actually we want to select the cut. So you just want to position the mouse over the cut. You see where it changes from an arrow to a kind of bracket. When it's a bracket and you click, it will select the cut. And then you can right click on that and default transition. Or you can use the shortcut Command D, or it'll be Control D on Windows. And you get a, well, depending on your default setting, is that you will get a 1 second dissolve, but that can be changed within your settings. So if it's not doing that, somebody's changed your settings. So now we've got a 1 second dissolve. Like I said, there's more than one way to do that. So let's just undo that. And then if you get your effects window up, you can go to dissolves. We'll go to across dissolve, and you can just drag that onto your cut. Now, the advantage of doing it this way is that you can decide whether you want it to end at the cut, be centered on the cut, or start on the cut. I'm just going to add it to the center, because even after I've done that, let's just open the video track up a little bit. I can still change it to starting at the cut or ending at the cut. If we play that, you see we've got a nice little 1 second dissolve between the cuts. So I think, oh, actually I want that dissolve to be a bit longer. I can adjust it in a variety of ways. I can just double click on it. You get a little transition duration box opening up. So I'm going to change that to 2 seconds. And you can see it widens to 2. Or you can literally just grab the end of the dissolve, and it's showing you in the little box there how long your dissolve is now. So let's just make it 2 seconds. Or you can just select your dissolve and then go to Effect Controls. That's showing you the duration there. You can type in a new one. And the handy thing about this is that once you've added your dissolve, when you think, oh yeah, that's the right length, but actually I want a different type of dissolve on there. So let's pick something. Chroma Links sounds like a fun one. We can just drag that on there instead, and it will maintain the same duration, but of a slightly funkier dissolve. Have fun.